Hello, everyone. This is Tyson, one of your Miami trainers, bringing you another tip. This tip is going to go over how to favorite a search and where you can locate your favorite searches within Matrix. First, what we need to do is set up a search based on our criteria. This one will stick to RE1, RE2 single family condo. You would do just like normal. You would enter your criteria. For example, this one we'll use under RES property type, single family, type of property, single. From there, you can specify anything that you're looking for: waterfront description, style, amenities. We're going to keep this one simple. We're just going to look for single family properties in Doral. From here, in the section on the right, we can input information based on what our customer is looking for. For example, under price, we can input a starting point of 600,000 or more by adding 600 plus, which is telling the system that we're looking for properties that are 600,000 or more. From here, we can enter total bedrooms. For this example, we'll use 3 or more bedrooms, 2 or more bathrooms. And then from there, what we can do is, just to make it a little clearer, we can set a better price range. We can do between 600 to 700,000. That brings us down to 2 matches. For example, our customer is looking for a single family property that has 3 or more bedrooms, 2 or more baths, between the price point of 600 to 700,000. It's going to render 2 results. From there, what we do is we click on results. From here, in order to save the search, you're going to go over here on the left where it says save, give it a click. Then from here, what you can do is click new saved search. From here, you can name the search. For this example, we used Doral, single family, between 600 to 700,000, 3 plus, 2 plus for 3 or more beds, then 2 or more bathrooms. And from there, what you can do is you can assign it to a contact as a saved search, or you can simply go here where it says enable as favorite search on home tab. By clicking enable as favorite search on home tab, what that's going to do after you click save is add it to your dashboard under my favorite searches, located right here. You'll see that search we just did, Doral single family, 600 to 700,000, 3 plus, 2 plus. Also wanted to make sure I mention in the top left corner of Matrix, you're going to see the button My Matrix. Anything you compose, create, or save within Matrix will be located up here under My Matrix. In order to find your saved search, you'll go down here where it says Saved Searches, give it a click, and this is just another way of accessing that saved search. You'll see it right here. If you click on it, what that's going to allow you to do is see the settings for it, and then you can click criteria if you want to maybe make a change to the search, such as maybe changing the price range so that more results show. Hope you found this tip helpful. You can find more tips such as this on our YouTube channel by going to youtube.com/miamitrainers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being a member.